Hello friends, now to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve stand for bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, square bracket, then O. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now step 1. Step 1, solve the innermost parentheses, brackets. First there is 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, and according to this step 1, the BODMAS says we must always solve the innermost brackets first to simplify the core of the expressions. So now the expression becomes 7 multiply square bracket 7 plus 7 multiply 14 square bracket of divided by 7 plus 7 minus 7. Now the second step, solve the square brackets. As you can see, inside these brackets we have a both addition and multiplication. So BODMAS dictates the multiplication comes before the addition. First we multiply the digit 7 into 14 equals to 98, and then after we add the digit 7 plus 98 equals to 105. And according to this step 2, we must completely resolve everything inside the remaining brackets before moving to the rest of the equation. So now the current expression becomes 7 multiplied by 105 divided by 7 plus 7 minus 7. Step division and multiplication, left to right. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so we solve them from the left to right. First we multiplied the digit 7 into 105 is equal to 735. Now we divide the digit 735 divided by 7 equals to 105. So according to this step 3, following the left to right convention ensures the value remains consistent throughout the calculation. So now the current expressions become 105 plus 7 minus 7. Now fourth step, addition and subtraction from left to right. Finally we perform the remaining basic arithmetics. So we first add the digits 105 plus 7 equals to 112. And after we subtract the values, 112 minus 7 equals to 105. So according to this step, these are the final step of order of operations. The conclusion says by systematically applying the BODMAS rule, we simplify the complex nested bracket first and then process the arithmetic from left to right, and the final simplified value of this expression is 105. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.